Um, so hello guys, once again welcome back, and I am very thankful for your support from the previous videos. It's quite quite good that you're showing some interest. I quickly want to go through what price printed on Friday because I did not do that, and I also wasn't so active on Friday. I did also not participate in the markets on Friday as well. Well, not that much, but I was tape reading it. I will only I will only go through what happened and maybe because I know later in the evening price will be opening and where the market will reopen as normal. You can see right now the price is not printing and it will be open back in 2 hours 32 minutes. So this is a good time to actually understand what happened on Friday and why we had that uh, drop on Friday. But I necessarily don't want to focus on fundamentals because they are printed on the charts, and all the fear that these motherfuckers are selling out there, all those fears are just printed here. And I don't think there's nothing to worry about. Uh, if you know that, if you know that that is what happens, because they are going to sell a lot of fears. Remember, a lot of fears is a lot of ideas, and those fucking ideas will eat you up till you're left with nothing. Um, Let me go to the daily time frame. As you can see, this is gold spot US dollar, and we had this rally up, which was really good, using this sell side imbalance buy side inefficiency as an IFVG. I said, God damn, I said I will take you from the beginning of all these PDRAs that I am talking about, and I am going to create playlists on them so that I go through all these PDRAs one by one in details, so you get to understand why I say they are there and why they are named that way. Even though that is not my regional content, and that is not how I interpret the markets, the language that I use to interpret the markets, I learned it from somebody else, and that is Michael, the ICT himself. He was talking on tweet on how these motherfuckers are selling fear to everybody, and everybody out here thinks that the world is ending, and it's actually not ending. People are through these hard times. The people are just taking advantages of these hard times, and they are benefiting off that. So the world is not ending. Hold down your fear and face yourself, learn something, and it's gonna be great. So this is the daily time frame. This is what happened on Friday. We can see that price delivered 771 pips.